Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today, we will be diving into the fascinating world of work orders and purchase orders, two vital components in any business setting that, despite their similar names, serve very different functions. We'll explore the nuances of these two concepts, providing you with a clear understanding of their roles within a company. From the initiation of a specific task to the development of purchasing relationships with external vendors or contractors, you'll leave this video with an enriched understanding of these crucial business operations. Let's get started. Let's dive right into the world of work orders and purchase orders. Despite their similar sounding names, these two have very different functions within a business setting. Let's break it down. A work order comes into play when a specific task needs to be completed. This can be for either internal or external customers. For instance, a tenant in an apartment building might submit a work request for appliance repair. This triggers a work order, which might need to be reviewed by a property manager, or it might just sit in a first-come, first-served queue. In a different scenario, a company might generate a series of work orders following an external audit. Technicians then need to perform the work to bring the business into compliance. On the other hand, purchase orders are all about initiating a purchasing relationship with an outside vendor or contractor. Let's say a manufacturing company needs raw materials like gaskets, metals, and oils. They would issue purchase orders to multiple vendors, specifying things like quantity, delivery schedule, and payment terms. If a business relies on a third-party vendor for a service, like transportation or janitorial work, a purchase order would be issued to detail the frequency of service and invoice arrangements. Now let's delve deeper into what exactly a work order is. These are documents that summarize the details of a specific task that needs to be done. They include the person requesting the work, management authorization, the technician completing the work, and the deadline. They should also detail the location of the work, instructions for the task, and the parts and tools required. Computer software like Upkeep's CMMS can help track, automate, and manage work tasks, making a previously paper-intensive process much more efficient. With good data management, work software can provide directors with quality, error-free information in terms of a cost, parts, and labor allocation. So, what information typically appears on a work order? Here's a quick rundown. Description of the task or needed work, name of the requesting department or individual, estimated completion date or deadline requirement, name of the person, team, or contractor to complete the task, detailed location of where work is to be done, and a list of parts, tools, or documentation needed to perform the tasks. Now let's switch gears and talk about purchase orders. These documents authorize a company to buy goods and services from third-party vendors. They summarize all the details about the purchase to ensure both the business and supplier are in agreement about items purchased and payment terms. Purchase orders include the name, quantity, and price of the items or services ordered. Any specials, discounts, or other agreements should be outlined as well. A purchase order should also specify the payment terms and expected delivery dates. By assigning a unique PO number, a company can better track, manage, and analyze its purchases over time. This data can help in negotiating better or different purchasing agreements with current or new vendors. Pro tip: setting up purchase orders in a system like Upkeep can save you time and money. So how do you create these work and purchase orders? For work orders, you can create one in Upkeep in just a few easy steps. 1. Create a new work order entry by keying in a title, description, and due date. 2. Assign a technician, team, or contractor to the task. 3. Change the status of the work order to in progress, and then closed upon completion. For purchase orders, the process in Upkeep is also straightforward. 1. Create a new purchase order by entering items, quantity, price, and delivery date. 2. Submit the purchase order to the vendor. And 3. Receive the item, restock items, and mark the purchase order as fulfilled. In conclusion, both work orders and purchase orders play an important role in many businesses today. The key difference is that work orders typically deal with labor and tasks, while purchase orders deal with parts and items. Often, purchase orders may be part of work orders, which require items to accomplish the tasks outlined in the work order. Regardless of which you are using, a CMMS can help organize, manage, and analyze the data on both work orders and purchase orders. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the key concepts of work orders and purchase orders and how they serve different functions in a business setting. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For more information and resources, visit us at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more videos to help your maintenance and operations teams be more successful.